Motorcycle reviews on POWAMOTO. Stay tuned. Today we find out why the Honda Valkyrie 1800 is ballin'. On POWAMOTO. Subscribe today.
Introducing POWAMOTO, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to raw.
POWAMOTO, let me hear it! Valkyrie 1800. Ah, Cobra! He's got the Cobra exhaust. He's fixing it up and he's going for a ride.
The Honda Valkyrie is a motorcycle that was manufactured by Honda from 1997 to 2003. It was designated the GL 1500C in the US market. Honda Valkyrie has an amazing Terminator style setup. That's right, you'll be looking like Arnold. And I'll be back. Of torque, you'll be falling on this bike. The Honda Valkyrie engine is a 1520 cubic centimeter, 93 cubic inch liquid cooled, horizontally opposed flat 6 engine shared with the Honda's Goldwing model. And that's why you ballin' on the Honda Valkyrie 1800. And that's right, with its 5.3 US gallon tank, you'll be able to go far away places, styling like the Terminator, and you'll be back on the Honda. Honda's a leader.
Hey, you are so beautiful. You're at Cafe 27. Can you tell the subscribers, subscribe today?
I'm sorry?
Can you tell the subscribers, subscribe today?
Yes.
Say, subscribe today.
Subscribe today.
Thumbs up, girl. She likes bikes. She likes bikes. Go ahead. No, I'm filming you. Go ahead. Yes. The guy, POWAMOTO. Subscribe today. All right. He's doing it.
Check out all these other motorcycle reviews. Up and coming Yamaha R1. Share these videos and subscribe today. If you like this video, check out these other review videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.